The Jordan Jumpman Pro is officially stepping back into the spotlight as it approaches its 29th year, marking a notable return for one of Nike Incorporated's classic team models. Last seen as part of the brand's core lineup in 2022 during its 25th anniversary, the silhouette now re-emerges with renewed energy and a mix of familiar and refreshed colorways. Originally popular in the late 1990s, the design drew attention through on-court support from elite players such as Ray Allen and Kevin Garnett. Their presence helped establish Team Jumpman, a category that carried Michael Jordan's competitive legacy beyond his signature line. To tap into the era's nostalgia, the brand is bringing back the model in original-inspired and updated looks. The iconic taxi colorway returns alongside a black and varsity blue-inspired version featuring silver Jumpman branding and nubuck overlays. Rounding out the lineup is the cherry colorway, a non-original style that still feels authentic to the shoe's heritage.